Hello everyone. Hello everyone. This is Wheezy. Let's start this webinar, and this is going to be a new strategy which I'm planning to teach you guys. And the strategy you already know. It's going to be the break and retest strategy. It's very easy strategy, very simplified, and if after the webinar you feel like you want to start using the strategy, feel free, but you have to try and back test it before using the strategy. Kind of old school method, very easy to use. So before we start doing analysis on the or tell you or teach you about the break and retest strategy, if you have any question, feel free to ask, and I will answer your question in accordingly. If you want me to take a look at any currency pair to use for the strategy, feel free to drop it at the chat box at your right hand corner. I will take a look at your currency pair, and I will do the strategy on your currency pair which you picked. But apart from that, let's get started with this strategy. So I will use Euro USD. Let us use Euro USD for this strategy. Let me go to the daily time frame to see. Okay, the 1 hour time frame. So the 1 hour time frame, we can see that this stuff is going on a ascending channel. If you take this channel line, this trend line, you hit it at this point, we can see that this is an ascending channel, ascending trend line, right? And even when you look at the previous level, you can see that it's kind of respecting the uptrend line very good. So let's go to 4 hours, and the 4 hours time frame is still showing that this is kind of a bullish trend for the Euro USD. So what I would do, let me reconstruct this line very good. Put it. So according to the strategy, is break and retest. So it's not like the price is coming to the trend line, then I'm taking a buy or taking a sell. No. The way this strategy works, when the price break previous highs or previous lows, or in other words, when the price breaks structures, we buy or sell. It depends. If the price break the upper resistance level, we wait for a retest, then we'll buy. Then if the price break support level, then we'll wait for a retest and we'll sell. So that being said, let's use this 4 hours as an example. I will show you I'll backtest it for you, then in real time I will show you what might happen with this strategy. So that being said, let's take this trend line. I'm looking for a resistance and a support. So this is kind of a very good resistance. We can see the price was holding here the same and the same. So this is very good resistance level. I already put the price level at that mark, the same at this level. And let's take it again, the vertical line. No, let's put it at this point, and again we'll take it and add it to this current level. I'll put it here. It's more better. Yeah, so that's better. So you might be asking me question, but you can simply type it at the box. But for video sake and for the historical, in case somebody will come back to be watching this video, so kind of just answering your question. So you might be asking, why am I using this line? Why am I not using candles? Where the line chart gives you very good view, or makes you to identify a very good open and close and the open and close always stands to be resistance and support. The open of a candle and the close of a candle is always the resistance and the support. So the wicks, when the price wicks up or wicks back down, it's just for those buy stop or sell stop, or when price takes someone hard from the market. That is the reason why it usually gives this wicks up, wicks down. So if you want to confirm a price, you need to wait for the open and close. That's where you usually confirm a price. So I already marked those level, and I'm still seeing one final level which I might want to mark. Okay, yeah, this zone is kind of good. Yeah, that is good. So I go back to my candle. So the break and retest strategy, look at how it is to work every time. There's no time that this break and retest strategy does not work. So look what happened. The price was falling, right? When the price was falling, this was the previous resistance. So this first line was the previous resistance. The price was holding very good here. So what happened? When the price broke above, it always tends to come back and do retest. So when the price broke above, it came to do a retest, it bounced up, but it came back again. Look at it, it came back and it broke. When it came back like this, that's to show you that it's a fake cat. So when it closed back above, then you can see that this movement was going to the upside. However, if we take a very good look, let's go back to the line right now. If we put, let's look at the majority of place where this candle closes, then we'll be able to, yeah, let's put it like this. This is kind of a very good level, because why? You can see that the level was holding here. It came back, it was holding, it was holding, it was holding. Here it broke, it came to retest. So this is kind of a very good level, which I will mark the price to be. So what happened when the price was coming bullish? It broke above, it came to retest, and we can see this bullish run to the upside. That is the number one. The number two, let's take this line again to be a resistant level. It works both for resistance and support, so it does not really matter both for, oh, you want to do it only for buy or sell. No. So let's go back to this zone again. This, I'm talking about this line right now. So just watch this resistant level. So let's take this eclipse. This is the first level that this resistance was holding, right? Yeah, that was the first time when the price came there, it bounced off. This was the second time. This was the third time again. It came here, it broke this level, it came back again, so it was not holding. But look what happened. It was holding here. Again, let's put it. It was holding at this region, and what happened? The price came back close by, did not work. So right now we'll see the price again came to this level, it bounced off, it was respecting. So when the price finally broke that level, look what happened when the price broke the level. So it broke this very strong resistant level. This is a significant resistant level. What happened when it broke it? It broke it. Actually, it came to retest it immediately, but look at the very good retest. It broke it, it makes some bullish move. It came to retest, closes above. When it closes above, then you can easily try to buy this currency pair right now, the Euro USD. When it broke above, then your stop loss would be where? Before I hit that stop, let's go back again. I use line charts to put my stop loss. So if I'm planning to buy at this zone, where will be my stop loss? My stop loss will be somewhere this region. If I'll buy somewhere here, my stop loss will be below. That would be most probably my stop loss. And put it red, make it to be red. Yeah, this will be my stop loss, and where will be the take profit? My take profit is going to be first stage, because I will not be riding the train to want to cash all those move. No, I don't do like that. So my take profit is going to be near the other significant level. This is going to be the first take profit which I will be targeting. That will be the first take profit. So let's go back to this candlestick chart. So when the price came and retest, I will not just wait when the price is retesting, then I want to buy. I will wait for this price to close. So when it came like this, it retested and closed above. That's already giving me confirmation that this price will likely move to the upside. So I take I will buy once this price closes. I will buy. Then my stop loss will be below the low of that candle, because yeah, it's going to be below this low of this candle, but I'll put it to give it room. And the take profit will be this zone. Because why this zone? Because of this level. That's why I will be targeting it, this level. And you want to see the reason why I said I will be targeting that level, because if we go back to line chart, let's go back to the line chart, you will see it is previous resistance. You can see it's kind of previous resistance. But however, in a real life market, I will target below here. This kind of is previous support that might become resistant. So in a real life market, if I will be trading this currency pair, I will be targeting this level 1.1973. That will be the level which I will be targeting, the first level targeting here, this region. That would have been. So look at the risk and reward ratio. If you look at the risk and reward ratio, you can see that it's kind of a very good trade we're seeing here. So let's come to this live market. So the break and retest. Let's go back to the line chart. So this is the line chart. So you're asking me, why am I putting it at this zone, and why am I thinking that the price will come and retest this region? Because just look at it, all the prices, when they come close to this region, it bounce back the same thing and bounce back. It was testing it for several times. How many days? I would say from 4th of December until it broke it this morning, which is 16th of December. That is more than 12 days. So since it's more than 12 days that resistance is holding, this gives me confidence that since we have this strong bullish close, then once the price come back to retest, I will buy this pair, the Euro USD. And what will be my stop loss and take profit is going to be the same, which I was talking about. So if I buy this pair at the retest, which is going to be somewhere this region, I buy. Yeah, I'll buy it there. Stop loss is going to be below that level. The take profits, this is going to be the take profits, but just the first stage, the first stage of me taking profit is going to be at this line. That's going to be the first stage of me taking the profit. Because if I'll buy here and the first stage of taking profit is here, then I can leave the runner and the runner can fill up to somewhere this zone. But I will not just independently just put stuff like that. I will try to see what will be in that zone where I will be aiming at in the long run. Go back to, it's kind of let me go to daily time frame. Yeah, for in daily time frame, it's very easy for you to spot. Yeah, so the first zone for me to target take profit is going to be 1.2243 based on the daily time frame. Come back to the live market. Candlestick formation. Yeah, so this is going to be what I will be looking at. Once this candle come back to this level, I might want to take a buy to target this 1.2200 and the second 1.2243. that will be the target. So guys, this is the break and retest strategy. It's kind of very simplified strategy, and a lot of guys has been using this for years and lose very good. I will tell you to backtest it independently and see if it works for you. If it works for you, you can implement it on your trade. So guys, thank you very much for your attention and your listening. I'll see you next week for a new webinar. Till then, remain blessed and